Hello, I'm Ricki Lee, and today on the watch list, we're joined by Dr. Jalena Arsic van Os, CEO of Accsys Technologies. The company has just released its latest trading update, highlighting growth in Accoya sales, expanding distribution in North America, and a strategic focus on differentiation despite challenging market conditions. Jalena, welcome to the watch list.
Thank you very much, Ricki. It's really a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the watch list. So, looking ahead, what's the medium-term outlook for the balance of sales between the group and the Accoya USA joint venture?
Looking at our total available capacity today that we have in Europe and in North America, one third of our medium-term strategy of the volume would come from North America and two-thirds from the European assets. However, looking at the more longer term, that balance is going to heavily shift to the US.
Okay, amazing, great. Speaking of the US, you've just added three new distributors in North America. What impact do you expect this to have, and how will you measure the success?
So North American Accoya sales volume grew 55% year on year in the first 5 months of our trading year. And most of this sale came actually from our existing distribution channel. However, in the same period, we introduced three new distributors that are building the presence of Accoya in their specific region. And we are very pleased how that acceleration is going forward. So for us, our existing sales distribution channel as well as new distributors are quite crucial for building that market momentum for Accoya in this largest and most profitable wood market available today.
Okay, so Yelena, in today's tougher macroeconomic climate, how does Axis plan to maintain its pricing power and differentiation in the market?
Well, we believe that our quality deserves the price point where Accoya is actually playing today. Accsys is the world's leading supplier of premium, high performance, and sustainable wood building materials. We always played in a premium place, and our actually strategy is to stay there. So the growth that we are delivering in the first 5 months, that is 28% year on year, is actually based on keeping that premium price level that Accoya is keeping in the building material world.
Amazing, and that was a premium performance, Yelena. Thank you for joining us today on the watch list.
Thank you very much.
So that was Dr. Jalena Arsic van Os, CEO of Accsys Technologies. For more details on the company's trading update and growth strategy, visit accysplc.com. That's ACCSYSPLC.com. I'm Ricki Lee. Thank you so much for watching the watch list today. Make good choices.